steady. Watch the starboard lines.
Ropes are tight. She's clearing the water.
Alert the divers. Maintain positions.
Cargo is secure. We are ready to proceed. Roger that. Checking.
All right, bring it to a full stop. Looks secure. Let's get the ramp ready.
I think we need to reinforce this section here. We'll need to remove the broken links first. Let's check the schematics for the support strut. Verified, that's the best approach.
Good. That's taken off the rust nicely. Careful with that edge. All right, let's get this mounted. Need a Phillips for those wires. Hand me the multi-tool, please. The track link here is completely busted, and the roller looks shot too. Looks like it's been like this a while.
Go on, watch out of your fingers.
Got it. Let's stack it here. Line it up. Ready? Hit it. Hold steady. All right, that's tight now. Move it this way just a little. There, perfect. Engaging the lock, it's solid. The hull is spotless. We checked the schematics, it's ready. Fantastic job, team. Let's proceed.
Да, вот это стопа поїхала, то коли мили, но один не умирали, а приварит, что вербундок он людей, можно скобернуть, смотрите.
All right, that one's solid.